Let's dive into the Webster Bay hot tub. 40 energizing jets massaging away your stress and tension. Spacious seating for 6, including a luxurious lounger. A user-friendly Balboa control panel allowing you a deep massage with the press of a button. Plus, it runs on a practical 13 AMP power supply. Feel the powerful pumps melt your cares away. We have both 0% and 4.9% APR finance options. Free delivery and installation across the UK mainland. Free steps, a free hot tub cover, and a free filter with every order. Transform your backyard into a luxurious retreat with the Webster Bay hot tub from Blue Whale Spa.